Hello, all in YouTube land. This is your boy GJC coming at you with the third part of my Star Wars Lego build. Hang on. That's better. Right now, should tell you, already got a head start. One moment. Sorry about that. I just had to sneeze. Already opened the pack, so we're gonna get started straight away. This is back two of yes, this is the third video and the second bag of it. And the good news is I've managed to sort out a bit of things, so hopefully the videos will be slightly easier to do now. So yeah. Now, I am actually looking forward to going to the cinema and seeing a Star Wars movie. Last movie I saw in the cinemas involving Star Wars was actually Rise of Skywalker. And I don't know, a lot of people hated on it, but I actually did enjoy the movie. So, yeah, I enjoyed it. Now, just to recap, this is as far as we've got. Now, I have figured out this is the back. That is going at the back. That is the front. And there's his head. That's where his head will be. So that's what I figured out so far. As if you watch any of the shows, Chopper's head does move around left to right and up and down a bit. More than R2-D2, who just turns around, but that's mainly because we can get away with a lot more animatronics nowadays than we could when the original trilogy was made. So, let us begin. This could be the front four-liner. Probably, hopefully, something I have no idea what I'm building here. So, we take a yellow brick, we take a light blue brick, put it in the middle, done. We take these triangle pieces, or wide pieces, I should say, wide pieces, and put them together. Like that. So, in the comments, I want you to, if you leave a comment, please do, because it really does help, especially with YouTube. What you're looking forward to coming out at Star Wars. Now, I occasionally, and I'll tell you this, I do buy the graphic novels of Star Wars, but I don't do it that often, which is a real shame because it's very hard for me to get hold of this stuff because I'm limited to what I can get. I can't buy online, never can, so it's not even worth me trying. So let's take this yellow green piece. I do like some of the colours on these bricks they've come up with over the years. Very artistic. Because I mentioned in a video that's coming out, that's actually come out today, that a lot of the colours I've had to deal with, it's mostly been red, black, or white. So we need 4 of these in equal spacing, with an empty one in between the others. Just get that in there. We then put that on this. Get on that. And let me just do a wee bit of repositioning. Why did I become Scottish? I apologise for any Scottish subscribers I have. So we take these nice. I do like this color. This is a nice purple color. I do like it. Take these and we put those there. Yep, matches the picture. We then take the two blue pieces. That's a nice blue, I gotta admit. Classic two brick pieces. I swear I can talk. Hopefully. Put those in place and basically doing this bit all over again. So we take the yellow, we take the blue, we put it in there, we put it there. We take the yellow pieces and we fit those in place there. We then take this and we do the whole red spotty bit again. I know I don't have background music. I don't have the capability to put it on, so I do apologize if this is a bit dull sound-wise. Other than me trying to talk. Trust me. I've lost most of my teeth due to medication I've had to take over the years, and the false teeth make me sound even weirder, so that's not happening. So, we now go to this, and we put it all together, so I'll just change the picture before I do that. And we then take this and put it here. Okay. Now we take between the sneezing and my itchy nose, this is going to be a very interesting part. We then take the classic Lego brick shape and we put it in here. I'll do the file piece first so you can see what I'm doing. And hey, on you go. We then take, we smooth it all out here. So we take these and get them in the right place first and put them on. And we take this dark grey one, we put this here, we take this one and we put this one here, right? And I do a bit of searching for that missing silver piece. It's got to be around here somewhere. This is what happens when you don't sort out. So it should be here. There it is, hidden under other pieces. There we go. All nice and secure, tighten. I'm actually trying to squeeze it to show you how tight it is. Now sturdy it is because that is pretty tight. So we now reach over for this bit. We then bring it over and we put it here. Okay, so that goes like that. Makes it even more secure. Look at that. That's gonna be fun for me to mess around with. So, we now done that bit. So, we now go over here, and I think we're doing, I think one of his front parts, or could be his back part. I have no idea, but we are now starting to actually physically build his body. Yay! Okay, so we now get one of the white pieces, which is one of their 6-piece. We get the classic brick. Here we go. We get another classic brick. Put it together. We now get one of those 6 bricks with the holes in them. Put it there. but I do like it. Okay, so the next bit. Oh, we take a blue. We take one of these browns, put them together. Is it camel? I like brown, one of those two. And my mind has betrayed me, and I've instantly gone to the lightest red joke from the classic show Red versus Blue, which, by the way, I watched and I still say has one of the most one sided beatdowns in all of history. For those who don't know, it's red, reds, two blues versus Tex. And Griff, the only thing I gotta say, for God's sake, be merciful and just shoot him at the end. Because no man, no one in the world, in the universe, deserves to have what had done to him. Which was basically him getting his butt whooped, and part of his anatomy permanently mangled. Okay, so how to do two of those, putting that in there, done. So we now take another one of these, and apparently we have to put it like that. And we take another one of these blue pieces. It's a really good blue, I like it. And put it like that. We then take this piece and put it on, which it's on, but it's not really secure. I'm a bit concerned about that at the moment. So we go to the next page, and this page, look, I'm still on. I've only just done 2 bags yet. I'm already on page 36. Yikes. Okay. Oh, we take the headlight ones. And we put 2 of those on there. We take one of the white bricks. Put it on the top there. And take, what was it? A grey one, which is one of these. I think it's grey. Yeah, it's grey. It's hard to tell with some of these colours. It's even worse for you guys on the camera. Camera. Okie dokie. We now take, one of the smooth pieces. I hope. I think it's this one. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, this is. Light grey. Put it on there. Okay, we've done that. We're now, right. So, we take one of the smooth white cube here. Put that there. Okay, yeah, now I know what. For those who don't know, it's a bit hard at pictures, the range I'm looking at. I dropped it. And again, I dropped it. One of these pieces, kind of like the gold brick sort of thing. So that goes on there. We take one of the grill pieces and we put it there. I have to keep checking this. I really don't like the way that is. Moment. It's a bit on the loose side. Okay. Big complicated build incoming. Okie dokie. So we take one of these grey pieces and we need multiple of these white ones. And yeah, they go like this, and they go like this, and we go like this, and apparently we need another one, and it goes like this. Oh, we need one of these small grey ones with the holes in. I think it's the hole. Yeah. Okay. And then we put it here. Oh, I'm not liking this at all. Build wise. We then take. Ooh, this is a new piece for me. Take one of these. We then attach it to one of the small ramp pieces I always call, or roof tiles as they were used in the past, and that goes on like this. Okay. Right, that is really not tight. So, so we need one of these, and oh, thank God. Oh, that's much better. I'm now happy. That is on tight. I was a little concerned because that was loose. I didn't like that. We then take one of the long ramp bases. We now take one of these step pieces they have and put that there. And then we take, I think it's this. Yeah, another one and put it there, which is securing all of that. That is now much more stable. Ooh, I feel better about that. And yeah, oh, that had me concerned there. That really did. But that just teaches me I need to have a little more faith in how Lego do stuff. Okay, so and now we just tidy this bit up with some of these pieces here. So the white pieces. So we do the corner piece here, which is going on like this. We then take tile piece of different colour, go there. We do two of those, okay. Goes on like that, and then we take another coloured piece. It's I actually don't know, a sandy colour. I like sandy colour, I suppose. We then take a white one and we put that on here. Yay! So that's become much more solid. Right, now we do the same for the other side, yet again. So we take these and just put these on as I find them. Okay, I should have sorted that out first. My bad. Put that small piece there. And now I know what's coming. I feel a little safer. So we just turn the Z page and do it all again. So we take small ramp, curved piece, put it here, and we just combine them all together. So we take this piece, I'm doing this here because it's loosey there. We then take this piece and put it there because it secures it and it makes it easier for me to put the other pieces on. So we just then take this, that goes there, and then we take this nice round piece, goes there, put it all together, make sure it's secure, and there we are. Oh, shoulders. Okay. And this just proves how old Chopper is, because when you do when I did the R2D2, it was mostly white when you did the smooth pieces. And with Chopper, you've got already miscolored pieces. And yeah, I like that. Typical Chopper. Nothing matches, which I like. Oh, and here's a very old joke about Chopper from a channel called Generation Tech. He talked about Chopper being a droid war criminal. Well, I've got one for you. Chopper has is the second highest Imperial kill count, and the only person that beats him is Luke Skywalker because he blew up the Death Star. That is how you know it's Tim. So, it's actually one of his side panels. This is meant for his legs. I didn't know that. That's actually meant for his legs. Okay, so we get the round piece. We get this. This is suddenly making a lot more sense. That goes there, and that fits in there. So we need one of these Lego technical bits, I call them. This fits all the way through. We then turn over on the back, and this goes in here. Make sure it's all lined up. Right, so we then get the main body, and then this goes here, I hope. Okay, yeah, that's how it's supposed to line up. So we put that all in together, squash it up. So yeah, we're actually doing these side panels now. And yeah, that is definitely the front, that's the back for the head. So yeah, that's not bad. Okay, so that's that done. Now I guess the second side, the left side is going to be like the right side. So we move the partially made body, which by the way, that's probably in better. That's actually probably better state than Chopper ever has been. By the way, the only thing that has a higher droid count than Chopper is the entire Clone Force army, because Chopper does not like droids at all, especially if they think we're going to use them to replace him. So it took an entire army to beat him on that front. Terrifying, I got to admit. So basically, it's the same as before on the other side. So I'll do this quickly because why waste time talking about the same thing? As another channel describes it, same as this. He does when he does these toy reviews. When he's talking about Transformers, he talks about the same side as the other side. Cut down the transform time. So yeah, got an itchy nose there. So same as the other side. So just do this quickly. But yeah, I am very looking forward to the Mandalorian and Grogu movie, and I like how they've had to add Grogu to it. And here's something interesting: Grogu made an appearance at the Oscars, and he made an appearance at WrestleMania as well. So yeah, and I watched WrestleMania this year as I did last year, and I enjoyed it. So yeah, put in the comments if you could be in any of the movies, which one would you be? Now, I'm also including the Solo movie Rogue One and the CGI movie The Clone Wars, which was the movie where we got Ahsoka Tano. Oh, that's not it. Oh, there it is. Hang on. Since it's upside down, I can plug it in. Basically, that was pointing down, did that, got it in. Ha! So let's find this smooth white piece, put that there. These got used a lot as for making gold bricks or so forth, or actually being used as gold bricks in certain kits as well. So, yeah. Right. I almost forgot about that. Good thing I noticed in time. So, yeah, there we go. Turn the page. Going to 71. From 71 to 72 and 3 and 4. Here we go again. In fact, what I'll do is I'll do this as I goofed on that. Okay. We take these round pieces and we do this. If I get it straight, it might actually fit. So we do that. I know I'm kind of rushing it here, but goofed on that. Crap. And I've done it. Cock up, cock up, cock up. Oh, did I cock up on that? Okie dokie. So, we take this, put this. Oh, almost forgot about these. My bad. Put the grey things there. And then we put these together and secure these in place. I'm trying to rush here because it's basically the same as the other side, and I wanted to get this done quickly, and I cocked it up doing it. So that teaches me. But anyway, some quick sort out here. Oh, damn! Get in there. Thank you. Hang on, that's weird. It's not going in. Okay, that one was a little weird. Okay, and now try it now. That was weird. Okay, I actually did want a piece wrong there from the start. Okay, my bad. And basically, we just put these pieces on now. Get this all nice and secure. Okay. Oh, so that's both sides done. I've I've skipped a few pieces here because basically it was the same as the other side, and I just wanted to get it out of the way. So now we just add the smoothness on this one. Get the pieces on the right way. Okay. Already partially, we can skip 76 because I've already done it. Oh, my shoulders. 77 and 78, we can skip all those. And now we just do 79. And it's all white on this side. Aha. Yet again, showing you that they thought about how the character looks when they do the Lego models. Right. Oh. My nose is itchy today. So basically, we now just put it all together. So, same thing as before, we do this. We take this piece, we stick it all the way through. Ooh. Hello. Okay, didn't go. It's not. Ugh. That was a little awkward. And yet again, we've got a few spare pieces. And they're 50 pieces. So I actually have a small little box here. Stick those in there. Put it to one side, keeps it out of the way. Right, we fit it, bring this in, and then we just try and get this all together, fit it in the side, and here we go. Oh, this was a lot easier this time around. Make sure everything's tight and secure. And there we've got most of his main body done. Yay! Oh! And it only took me 30 minutes to do it. Oh, nice. Oh, my shoulders. Oh, shoulders, 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 shoulders. Oh. Okay. All nice and done. Back to sides. So, yeah. So, we're now on bag 3, and it's either going to be the front or the back. Probably the front. But yeah. So far. 3 bags down, 4 videos done. And, yeah. So, here come usual YouTube talk. As in, please, like, share, subscribe. Usual thing. Put in the comments if you could be in a movie or TV show. What would it be? And to mention, I'm including, Star Wars Resistance, because I know that wasn't too popular because of the different cartoon style than what we were used to, but I liked it. It also showed that you didn't need the connection to the Force to actually have a decent show. Just take Andor. So, yeah. Here you go. So, this is your boy, GJC, signing off. Yay. For this video. And, yeah. It looks like I'm going to be able to put at least some of my May the 4th build video up on the actual 4th. I'm actually liking that. Thank you oh so much to everyone who's upon me. Be safe, be well, have hope and light in your heart, and I will see you in the next video. May the force be with you. Have a great day. And this is the way we're doing it at the moment. Yes, I said it. This is the way. I'll see you soon. This is your boy GJC signing off. Bye.